after you've put them on your cookie sheet, you're going to want to put them in your fridge for about an hour. And I'm going to go do that, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, it's been about an hour, and I have them back now. So now I'm going to melt my chocolate chips according to the directions on the back of the package. Now that the chocolate chips are melted, I'm going to leave them sit for about 30 seconds so that they're not too hot that they melt the cake. Now I'm going to dunk the cake bites into the melted chocolate chips and put them back on to the cookie sheet with parchment paper and put them back in the fridge for about 45 minutes. Now it's been about 45 minutes and I have mine and they're done. They look super good. I can't wait to eat them. Thank you so much for watching Mrs. Kranau's 6th grade 2020 cooking activity. It is a little different this year, but I'm sure all dishes will be just as good. That's a wrap on Cooking with Chloe. Bye.